Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Betterment Cache Reserve, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Betterment app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Look for Cache Reserve in your list of accounts. Tap on Cache Reserve to open the account details. Scroll down to find the Settings option. Select the Settings option to access account preferences. In the Settings menu, find the Close Account section. Read any warnings or important information regarding account closure. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap on the Close Account button. Follow any prompts to confirm your decision. You may need to provide a reason for closing the account. After providing the reason, confirm a second time to finalize the process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your account has been closed. You may receive an email confirmation of the closure for your records. Ensure you withdraw any remaining funds before completing the uninstallation. Uninstall the Betterment app from your device as needed. Go to your device settings and find the Betterment app. Select the option to uninstall the app. Confirm your decision to uninstall the app from your device. Your Betterment Cache Reserve has now been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.